portable explosion-proof LED tank light with Wheelbarrow Cart from Larson Electronics produces 21,000 lumens of light, capable of illuminating an area 10,000 square feet in size. This adjustable Cree LED unit is designed for maximum portability and versatile operation. This unit has a quick disconnect mounting system and is compatible with several additional mounting solutions. This light is rated for Class 1 Divisions 1 and 2 and Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. A special heat dissipating design in conjunction with LED technology helps this fixture to achieve an excellent 60,000 hour rated lifespan with 80% lumen retention. This explosion-proof LED light fixture is paint spray booth listed, IP67 rated, dust-proof, and protected against high-pressure jets and temporary submersion. The cast aluminum body and LED lamp give this light excellent durability and resistance to vibration and impacts. This portable LED fixture features an integrated LED light head that produces a brilliant flood pattern of light and is ideal for illuminating enclosed areas and hazardous locations where flammable vapors, gases, and dusts may be present. This portable explosion-proof LED tank light is mounted atop a wheelbarrow-style cart with quick change mount. This explosion-proof LED light is universal voltage capable and can be operated with 100 to 277 volts AC at 50 to 60 Hz without modifications to the fixture. This light is equipped with 100 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant cord that is fitted with an explosion-proof cord cap for easy connection to explosion-proof outlets. Beam angle options include the following. Color temperature options are also available. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.